revolutionizing manufacturing with Ausweg's X.0 Transformation. Every minute of machine downtime is money lost. Every energy leak is invisible profit slipping away. But what if your factory could talk to you in real time? Predict failures, optimize energy, and guide decisions. Welcome to X.0 Transformation, engineered by Ausweg Info Control, where your factory evolves into a smart, connected powerhouse. X.0 goes beyond Industry 4.0. It's a living, evolving factory system driven by data, automation, and intelligence. At Ausweg, we connect the dots from sensors to decisions through a powerful architecture. It's an ecosystem where machines, energy, people, and insights come together. Let's explore how. Digital Factory. Ausweg's Digital Factory is our virtual control room. Monitor production in real time, track operator performance, and eliminate paper-based logs. You can instantly visualize machine statuses, assign operators to specific lines, capture downtime reasons, and access everything on any device, all through one centralized dashboard. Overall equipment effectiveness. With Ausweg's OEE module, you don't just get a number, you get clarity. It calculates your real-time OEE by breaking it into availability, performance, and quality. Dive deeper with shift-wise and machine-wise reports. Visualize patterns using heat maps and identify exactly where your losses lie across the 6 big loss categories. Machine IoT. Machine IoT by Ausweg gives your machines a voice. Track cycle times, idle durations, alarms, and operational status with zero manual intervention. All data flows directly from machine to cloud, enabling smart decisions at the speed of light. Energy Monitoring System, EMS, helps you get control of hidden energy costs. It visualizes energy flow and identify potentials to reduce cost. Automated reports and alert notifications caters to analyze energy. And it also improves overall well-being and performance of machines. Computerized Maintenance Management System. Ausweg's CMMS is a maintenance manager's best friend. Build a complete asset registry, schedule preventive maintenance with reminders, and instantly raise breakdown tickets when something goes wrong. Track every work order, assign technicians through the mobile app, and monitor spare part consumption, all in one place. Condition-based monitoring and predictive maintenance. Prevent failures before they happen with CBM and predictive maintenance. By analyzing sensor data like vibration, temperature, current, and RPM, our system identifies unusual patterns. AI models calculate failure probabilities, trigger early warnings, and even generate automatic maintenance requests inside the CMMS. So you fix machines before they break. Accurate machine KPIs and analysis through sensors and advanced systems. With Ausweg's X.0 platform, one manufacturer reduced energy costs by 18%, improved OEE by 25%, and cut unplanned downtime by 30% in just 6 months. This isn't theory. This is transformation in action. This is not just about machines. This is about intelligence, visibility, and control. With Ausweg's X.0 Transformation Suite, your factory becomes smarter, leaner, and ready for the future.